Let's answer these 5 organic chemistry questions. Get ready. Question 1. In cracking of petroleum fractions, the catalyst used is dash. A. Aluminium. B. Zinc. C. Silica alumina. D. Silicon. The answer to this question is option C. Silica alumina. Don't forget, during the cracking of petroleum, where we break large molecules of hydrocarbons into smaller molecules, the catalyst we make use of is the combination of silicon dioxide SiO2 and aluminum oxide Al2O3. The combination of these two is what we call what? Silica alumina, which is called altogether, we can call them clay also. That is the answer, silica alumina. That's option C. Question 2. The product obtained when pure hydrocarbon is burnt in excess oxygen are what? A. Carbon and hydrogen. B. Carbon and water. C. Carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen. D. Carbon 4 oxide and water. What's the answer to this question? The answer is what? Option D. Carbon 4 oxide and water. Take note that when hydrocarbons are burnt in excess oxygen, the product obtained is what? Carbon 4 oxide and water. Are we together? If it is burnt in a limited supply of oxygen, you'll be having carbon, which is soot. Next question. During vulcanization of rubber, sulfur is added to do what? A. To break down rubber polymer. B. Lengthen the chain of rubber. C. Bind rubber molecules together. D. Act as a catalyst. What's the answer? Firstly, why do we do vulcanization of rubber? It's a process to make rubber more tough, add an elastic. Now, the answer to this question is what? Option C. To bind rubber molecules together. Yes, you see, in the molecule of rubber, we have double bonds. When sulfur is added, those double bonds are broken. Then we have bonds between carbon and sulfur. You see this bond between carbon and sulfur during vulcanization is what we call sulfur-carbon crosslinks. And these crosslinks binding them together is what is responsible for the toughness and elasticity of the rubber. Good. Now, the next question, that's number 4. Now we have that what? A secondary alkanol will oxidize to yield what? A. Alkanal. B. Alkanoic acid. C. Alkanamide. D. Alkanone. What's the answer to this question? Okay, don't forget, jot this thing down. When a primary alkanol is partially oxidized, we have alkanal. Also, when a primary alkanol is completely oxidized, that is the final product of the oxidation, that gives us what? Alkanoic acid. Take note, when a secondary alkanol is oxidized, then you have alkanone. Now let's answer this question. A secondary alkanol will oxidize to give us what? The answer is option D, alkanone. The last one, number 5. The alkanol obtained from the product of soap is what? You see, this process is telling you about what? Saponification, where we have alkaline hydrolysis of fat and oil to give soap and the alkanol they are asking in this question. Now pay attention. You see, when a fatty acid is being what? Is being hydrolyzed with an alkalis. Are we together? Whether KOH or NaOH. Now the product we have is soap and a byproduct. That byproduct is a trihydric alkanol called glycerol. Therefore, our answer is what? Option B, glycerol. Okay? For more explanation and more interesting science content like this, please follow this page, like and share this video to your friends. They know they are taking JAMB exams. Thanks for watching. Bye.